Lesson number 25. Let's choose a technique for you. In the world of meditation, it is important to remember that each person chooses their own technique for practice. The suitable meditation technique can depend on many factors, like desire, level of experience, and health of the person. Meditation is a strictly personal experience that helps you delve into your inner world and learn to be aware of your thoughts and emotions. However, some people may not feel the desire or have the opportunity to meditate, and that's completely normal. Each person can choose a suitable way to achieve inner balance and well-being. There are many ways of spiritual growth that are not related to meditation. For example, first, reading spiritual literature. Books that reveal the themes of spiritual growth allows us to see the world differently and expand our consciousness. Secondly, demonstrating kindness and compassion. Help other people. Show care and respect toward them. This is a huge exercise for the development of your personality and your spiritual growth. Third, learning art, science, music, philosophy. This will expand your personal horizons, your consciousness, and, no doubt, can contribute to your spiritual growth. Fourth, demonstrating gratitude. Thank the higher powers for any moment in your life. Being grateful for your life, health, family, and other things seems to launch your soul into a zone of rapid growth. All these ways help you to expand consciousness and live consciously and develop yourself in harmony. However, meditation has many benefits for achieving mindfulness and overall mental and physical health. It quickly reduces stress and anxiety level. It may effectively remove muscle tensions. Meditation develops the ability to focus on the present moment, calms down the mind, and improves sleep, strengthens the immune system, and reduces pain symptoms. Meditation teaches how to manage pain symptoms by focusing on their causes and reactions to them. Meditation is the most powerful tool for achieving mindfulness and well-being. Now, I will list some of the most well-known and widely practiced types of meditation that will help you connect with your inner world. Let's choose the best type of meditation specifically for you. First, mindfulness, a technique of paying attention to the present moment, to your body sensations and breathing, noticing your thoughts and emotions, thus revealing your essence. For example, on our channel, there is a meditation cancellation of attention in Lesson 5 and meditation my body in Lesson number 6. Secondly, transcontinental meditation, TM, a technique of repeating specific mantra, a word or phrase in Sanskrit, that helps you focus on the inner world of your consciousness. Thus, the TM techniques are the presence of light, a technique that involves contemplation of light spreading inside and around your body. For example, look at the meditation mind management in our lesson number 8 of our channel. Third, visualization, a technique that involves conceiving bright images and situations with the goal of creating not only pleasant visual images, but also solving specific life tasks. Like, for example, in lesson number 20, meditation entitled I Create a New Reality on our channel. Fourth, metta meditation is a technique aimed at developing love, kindness, and compassion towards yourself and others. It is the energy of love that is the foundation of the whole universe, and it is a source of inspiration, hope, and strength for a person. Try and return to the meditation entitled Activating the Heart in lesson 21. And last but not the least, fifth, Yoga Nidra meditation for relaxation is particularly effective in releasing physical and emotional tension. For example, look at lesson 23, meditation of Tibetan monks on our channel. In the future, we'll try many other practices like Vipassana meditation, Shamatha meditation, Chakra meditation, Yoga meditation, Zen meditation, and many others. The list is endless. Choose your favorite technique and practice it daily. Love. See you at the next lesson.